Welcome to Frugal Insights. Living frugally is not about depriving yourself of things you love, but about being smart with your resources and achieving financial freedom. In this video, we'll share 10 practical tips to help you live more frugally and make the most of your hard-earned money. Tip number first, track your expenses. First, track your expenses. Write down every single transaction, no matter how small, in a notebook or use an app like Mint or Personal Capital. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate your money more efficiently. Tip number second, create a budget. Create a budget that accounts for all your necessary expenses, savings, and debt repayment. Make sure it's realistic and achievable. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Tip number third, cook at home. Cooking at home can save you a significant amount of money. Plan your meals by ingredients in bulk and enjoy home-cooked meals. You can save up to 50% on food expenses by cooking at home instead of eating out. Tip number fourth, cancel subscriptions. Review your subscriptions, gym memberships, streaming services, magazine subscriptions, and software services. Cancel any that you don't use regularly. You can save hundreds of dollars per year by cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions. Tip number fifth, shop secondhand. Consider shopping secondhand for items like clothes, furniture, and household goods. You can find great deals on gently used items and reduce waste. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like eBay and Craigslist are great resources. Tip number six, save on energy bills. Simple changes like switching to LED bulbs, turning off lights, and adjusting your thermostat can save you money on energy bills. You can save up to 30% on energy bills by making these small changes. Tip number seven, use public transportation. Using public transportation can save you money on fuel, maintenance, and parking. Consider it for your daily commute. You can save up to $1,000 per month by using public transportation instead of driving a car. Tip number eight, avoid impulse buys. Be mindful of impulse buys. Think twice before making non-essential purchases. Ask yourself if you really need it. Implement a 30-day waiting period before buying something non-essential to avoid impulse purchases. Tip number nine, DIY and repurpose. Get creative with DIY projects and repurpose items you might otherwise throw away. It's fun and cost-effective. You can find tutorials and inspiration online to help you get started. Tip number 10, automate your savings. Finally, automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. You can set up automatic transfers on payday to ensure consistent savings. By incorporating these 10 tips into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to living more frugally and achieving financial freedom. Remember, it's the small changes that add up over time. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on personal finance and frugal living.